Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. Our number one pick is MOBDIK 2-pack Paperfeel Screen Protector. The screen protector delivers an authentic paper-like feel. The texture gives just the right amount of resistance, making it feel more natural and controlled when writing or drawing with the Apple Pencil. This tactile feedback makes the iPad experience feel more like using a notebook or sketchbook. I've noticed significantly less glare and fewer fingerprints on my screen, which is fantastic for use in bright environments or when outdoors. Despite the matte finish, the clarity of the screen remains sharp and it doesn't distort colors or reduce brightness too much, which was a big plus for me. The installation process was surprisingly easy. The kit includes a frame and detailed instructions which help to ensure proper alignment with no bubbles. I got a smooth, bubble-free application on the first try. This protector feels durable and has held up well against scratches, even with regular use. After weeks of writing and drawing, the texture remains intact without wearing down. Plus, it's thin enough that the touch sensitivity isn't impacted, so my iPad responds as quickly as ever. Having a 2-pack means you're getting a spare, which is great if you need a replacement down the line. At this price point, it's a solid investment, especially considering the quality and feel it brings to the iPad experience. Our second best paper screen protector iPad is KCT 2-pack Paperfeel Screen Protector. The matte PET film offers a realistic paper-like feel, adding slight friction that makes writing and sketching with the Apple Pencil feel natural. It's almost like writing on a notepad, and it's a big improvement over the smooth glass screen, making it easier to control strokes. One of the biggest highlights is the anti-glare feature. The matte finish reduces reflections, making it easier to see in bright environments or under overhead lights, and it noticeably reduces fingerprints and smudges, keeping the screen looking clean. The 2-pack includes tools that make installation relatively simple. The alignment stickers and dust remover were helpful, though it still took some patience to get it perfectly bubble-free. The fit is perfect for the 10.2-inch iPad, and it doesn't interfere with Apple Pencil sensitivity or accuracy, which is essential for a smooth writing experience. The screen protector has been durable, showing no signs of scratching or wearing down after regular use. This makes it a solid option if you use your iPad daily for creative work or notes. The KCT Paperfeel Screen Protector is a must-have if you want a realistic paper-like experience on your iPad. It's durable, scratch-resistant, reduces glare, and doesn't affect the clarity or touch responsiveness of the screen. Highly recommended for students, artists, or anyone who uses an Apple Pencil frequently. Third choice in our list is bersem 2-pack Paperfeel Screen Protector. The matte PET film is specifically crafted to simulate the texture of paper, providing a slight friction that feels much like writing or drawing on real paper. This feature makes it ideal for artists and note-takers who prefer more control, as it reduces the slippery feel of glass. The Apple Pencil glides smoothly, but with just the right amount of resistance, which really helps improve accuracy and comfort. The matte finish effectively reduces glare from indoor lights or sunlight, making it easier to use the iPad in various lighting conditions without distracting reflections. The anti-fingerprint property is another huge plus, as it minimizes smudges, keeping the screen looking clean even after extended use. The screen protector comes with an easy installation kit, which includes alignment tools, dust removal stickers, and cleaning wipes. Installation was straightforward, and with the alignment stickers, I managed to apply it with no air bubbles or misalignment. Having 2 protectors in the pack means you have a spare for future use or a backup in case of installation errors, which is great value for money. The screen protector holds up well against daily wear, showing no signs of scratches or peeling even with regular use. It also doesn't reduce the screen's brightness or color quality, keeping visuals crisp and clear. Number 4 in our side is Ailun Paper Textured Screen Protector. Despite its matte finish, the screen protector is surprisingly durable and doesn't pick up scratches easily. It also resists fingerprints well, staying relatively clean even with frequent use, which is a nice touch for maintaining the iPad's sleek look. The screen protector is easy to install with minimal risk of bubbles, thanks to the included tools and clear instructions. It fits the iPad screen well, without covering any sensors or affecting Face ID. And the 2-pack means you have a backup for future use or in case of any mistakes during the first application. The anti-glare feature is highly effective at reducing reflections, which is especially helpful when using the iPad outdoors or under bright lighting. This feature also helps to lessen eye strain, providing a more comfortable viewing experience when reading, browsing, or drawing for extended periods. The texture of this screen protector closely mimics the feel of paper, offering just the right amount of friction for a realistic drawing or writing experience. This adds significant comfort, especially when using the Apple Pencil, as it reduces slippage, making it ideal for artists, note takers, and anyone who wants a more tactile experience. The Ailun Paper Textured Screen Protector is a fantastic choice for iPad users looking to replicate a paper-like feel, reduce glare, and add screen protection. Its reasonable price, paired with a second protector in the pack, makes it an affordable and high-quality option for students, artists, and professionals alike. Last in our top 5 best paper screen protector iPad list is ESR for iPad Air 5.4 Paperfeel Magnetic Screen Protector. The ESR Paperfeel Magnetic Screen Protector is an impressive and unique accessory designed to enhance the iPad Air 5/4 and iPad Pro 11-inch experience, especially for Apple Pencil users. One of the most convenient features is its magnetic, detachable design. The screen protector is incredibly easy to put on and take off without needing adhesives, making it reusable and perfect for switching between tasks. This is a game changer for users who want the Paperfeel texture for drawing or writing, but want to remove it for smoother video watching or general use. The Paperfeel texture provides just the right amount of resistance to replicate a pen-on-paper feel, making writing, sketching, and note-taking with the Apple Pencil feel more natural. It helps with precision and control, significantly reducing slippage and making it ideal for creatives and students.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.